I was on the first team as usual, and Malcolm was on the second team as usual. I played horribly. I missed easy shots and kept kicking the ball to the other team. Meanwhile, Malcolm had really improved, thanks to my soccer lessons. Coach Drago kept on clapping when Malcolm had the ball, and yelling at me when I had it. He told me to get my head in the game. But it's not easy to getting your head in the game when you're thinking about cats and sisters and big money-making ideas. We lost, and Malcolm's team won and celebrated like they had won the World Cup. Coach Drago slapped Malcolm on the back and said in his thick Yugoslavian accent, "Great job, keep up the great work, and you'll be starting." Then he looked over at me with sort of a sad, disappointed look and shook his head before marching away. I walked off the field with my head hanging while the second teamers continued whooping and cheering. But I'd show Coach Drago that I was still this team soccer star. I just needed to earn a whole bunch of money first. Then I could worry about soccer, schoolwork, and the rest of my life later. I just hope that later wasn't too late. That's the end of Chapter 7. Tomorrow I will be reading Chapter 8, which is Tuesday, March 6th. Money saved, still negative $6.10.